Hi everyone. Do you want to know a few simple poses that you can do to free up around your hips and pelvis, particularly if you have PCOS or have pain when menstruating or just some tight stiffness around your hips and pelvis? Join me for this very short little sequence to free up your hips.
So beginning in butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, easing into the hips with a nice oscillating movement up and down, and then grabbing one foot with the other hand, rocking the hip side to side. You could meet the foot into the elbow crease and hold the leg like a baby and rock side to side. And these oscillating movements are really lovely for the joint, easing into the joint range of motion, stimulating synovial fluid. So moving into some forward bends here. And this is a very quick practice. You could slow this right down and hold each pose for a lot longer. So changing sides, rocking into the other hip, either with the hand or into the elbow crease. And breathing steadily while you're doing these movements. Calming the nervous system is just as much as part of this practice as stretching the joints and the muscles of the body. Forward fold. Feeling that nice deep release into the hips. And a mermaid sit, rocking the pelvis forward and back, anterior tilt, posterior tilt, and just freeing up any congestion around the hips and pelvis. You could also add in a nice rotation movement here. And again, these practices are wonderful for any sort of menstrual pain or cramping. And this option with the leg off actually is more for strengthening. It's a wonderful core stabilizing exercise. Changing sides. I really encourage you to just even sit on the floor more to help open up the hips and pelvis. And again, adding in this rotation movement can feel really nice through the spine and through the deep buttock muscles. Exhaling forward, inhaling back. Adding in, lifting the back leg if you wish for some core stability work. And alternating between the mermaid sit on one side to the other. Really nice to try practicing this without touching the hands down. Again, this helps stimulate the core muscles, and you could progress it to coming up on one knee. So you're down, changing sides, and then extending up using the gluteal muscles, lower abdominals, freeing up at the same time as stabilizing. And particularly with pain associated with menstruation or endo, it's really important to keep the mobility around the pelvis and hips, relieving congestion or even scar tissue. So adding in a little back bend here if that suits you, coming up, reaching one hand behind, back bending. And again, try to keep the hands off to see if you can use the core. Back to cross-legged sit. And crossing the thumbs together, hands over the heart, bowing to our hearts, our inner teachers.
So thank you for joining me in this hot yoga studio. I hope you're well. And please make sure to comment and let me know what you'd like to see, what you'd like to learn with yoga, with wellness. I'm a personal trainer, passionate about women's health, making us feel strong and empowered in our own bodies. So please let me know what you'd like to see. I'm here to help you. Namaste. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking. Thanks so much.